I first got out of prison, I didn't have a pearly white smile. I had a really badly cracked and discolored front tooth that was a combination of a childhood injury and a lack of dental care. Because when I was a kid, I rode my bike off a stage at a campground. I was really far from any dentist or any hospital, cracked my face open, ripped the gums off my jaw. The tooth was bad. It was just not a good situation. Got it fixed on the street when I was a kid, went to prison, and when I first got there, we actually had a really good dentist and a really good dental hygienist. They saw the damage, they were like, okay, here's what we can do, let's get this fixed for you. But then over the years, dental care and medical care just got worse. The women's prison, a number of women died. It was considered a liability. They basically didn't provide the medical care. There was a lawsuit. They were put under federal conservatorship. And what the DOC did was just basically send all the resources to the women's prison. So all of a sudden they had 2 full-time dentists and they had 4 dental hygienists and they had extra nurse practitioners, but it wasn't like they came up with more money. They just pulled those resources from the men's prison. So when I was at Buckingham, we just didn't have a dentist for 5 years. Now, for emergencies, they would call somebody in from the street or to deal with abscesses, but basically you're not getting dental care unless it was an emergency. So all the attention the women were getting, the men didn't get because, again, they didn't hire anybody else to address the issue. They just shuffled things around and they figured that we didn't need dental care. So what that meant was I didn't get adequate dental care for a long time. My tooth looked really bad, but thankfully I got out. And because my story was public, because I knew a lot of people in the community, there was a dentist who said, hey man, this is really unfair. You shouldn't have been treated like that. Come on in, we'll get your tooth fixed. And in a matter of hours, he fixed my tooth really well.